Alright guys, I'm going to try again, and I am just testing out my new audio. I have my fast boots, my fast pack, and I have accepted on hard, and I have my graphics down on low. That will hide all the things. One more! Yeah! If you want, you can grab a couple more. I think probably have all the easy ones. But you do get to keep all the eggs even if there's some extra ones. Oh, you know when it's over because I finished the quest, so that's probably all of the eggs. So there we go. Alright, let's see how the new audio setup works. And thanks for watching. The new audio system was recommended to me by Survive at All Costs, who has their own YouTube channel, so you can check his channel out as well. I will try to add that in. Thank you.